Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to make chicken curry. You need onions and green chili, ginger, garlic, curry leaves, pandan and mustard seeds. Make a thick paste. Now take a pan and add coconut oil. Then add that paste. Now add 3 teaspoons of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, two teaspoons of roasted curry powder, two teaspoons of black pepper powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of garcinia paste. Now mix it well. Now add chicken. Cooked for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add some water. Again cook at least 35 minutes. Now your chicken curry is ready to serve. Friends, hope you like this video. If you are like, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. See you soon with the next video. Till then, bye.